incredible autonomous action from both alliances in this match. 9408 and 4419 doing some great scoring over on the blue side of the field. On the red side of the field, 597 barely misses their level 4 Coral. On the blue side, 9408 returns to the reef yet again, and they make it halfway back for another piece of Coral. They're going to be ready to go as soon as this match starts. Here they go, putting it onto level 1, lining it up, taking their time. Barely misses, but they're going to try it one more time. Here we go, level 1 from 9408. That's more like it. 4419 team rewinds, carefully placing onto level 4, removing an algae underneath it, and there they go. Over on the red side of the field, there's 4 robots already. There's some defense from 8060, that's VHS Robotics. Momentum working on the processor. They're going to try to shove that piece of algae in there, and they've got it. That's going to roll down the ramp, and we're going to start playing some basketball over here on the field. Excellent work from our human players today. 3408, the Cyber Cubs, doing what they can to try to help score for their team. 9408 doing some great algae placement as well. We've been watching 9408 start out every single match with some algae, and it doesn't look like they're going to change that strategy yet. It's been working for them very well so far, and they're going to keep it up. Here they go, back to the reef, back to the barge, excuse me, and another one up into the net. 4999 returning to their own side of the field. Let's see what they're up to over here. They're going to pick up some algae, and let's see what they want to do with it. They're going to bring it onto the other side of the field and score it into the processor. Some interesting strategy from 4999. Meanwhile, their alliance partners 597 scoring on level 4. 4419, that's Team Rewinds, moving forward this time, going on to the level 3 reef. They're scoring as 9408 does the same. This Blue Alliance putting up an impressive number of points, currently seeing 101 from these 2 scoring robots. That's Rewinds and the Warren Warbots. Red Alliance doing an excellent job of their own. They've got 65 points so far as 597 scores another piece onto level 3 of the reef. They're going to use that ground intake and grab another piece of coral off the ground. Here they come back to the reef. They know what these cycles look like. It's grab coral to the reef, grab coral to the reef, grab coral to the reef all day long. The Blue Alliance also using that strategy very well. With 20 seconds left, we see that it's time to climb. 4419 Rewinds moving over to the cage. They've got their claw around it. They're going to start pulling down. Let's see if they're able to get up off the ground as the Warbots join them. 4419's off the ground. 9408 is also off the ground. And we have our final Blue Alliance team moving in, and that's all 6 robots inside the barge zone to end the match. Here we go. Final scores from that qualification match. It's the Blue Alliance. They're going to get all 6 ranking points. That's going to have some big implications on our standings as 94.